In this video, you'll become familiar with SPSS and you'll learn how to set a few options. Now, if you've entered SPSS, you probably have the screen that I have in front of me now. You can click out Cancel on this pop-up. And the first thing we'll do is set a couple options. You go up to Edit, Options, and it sometimes takes a moment or so to pull them up. Okay, under the General tab, it should say Display Names and File. Okay, yours may say Display Labels. Mine, I've set it Display Names. Under Output Labels, it should say Label, 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 and Labels. Hit Apply and OK, and you're set. Now, in SPSS, there are two views. There's Variable View, which is where you set up your SPSS template, and there's Data View, where you enter your data. So let's go to Variable View. Our first field is always called ID. That is because we number all our questionnaires from 1 to N, and then we want to give the same number to the line of data in SPSS. So I put in ID in Variable View. If I go to Data View, you have a column now called ID, and we just enter our data like in Excel. So my first questionnaire would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Let's go back to Variable View for a sec. You have a few other columns here. Your type of data, most of the time it will be numeric, but if it's not, click on it. A little button will come up, click on the button, and you can change it to the type of data you want to. Width is the width of your cell. You can control that. Decimal is how many decimals. So we have 2 decimals now. See? 1.00, 2.00. If we click on the decimal box, a little arrow comes up. We could take it down to 1 decimal and hit enter. And we're good. Let's go to Data View. And we're down to 1 decimal. Let's go back to Variable View. We'll talk about labels and values in the next video segment, and you don't have to worry about the rest. And that concludes this video.